Is it loosened up enough?
No.
You need me to loosen it some more? But you're getting the guts out pretty good. Okay, here we go. Stand back. Stand back. Let me loosen some more of it up. Get around here to the top.
And then the bottom.
Yeah, we could be professionals at this, you know. We do a pretty good job together. We're a pretty good team. What do you think? Are we a good team?
Yep.
You do a lot of good teamwork things with all your classmates?
Uh-huh.
Watch out, I'm gonna hit you in the head. I'm gonna hit you in the head just then.
I think that's...
Ooh, gross. You know what you could do if you wanted to? Pick up a big old handful of it and just stick it in there. Oh, get 2 hands full, because you can get your hands in there and show the camera too. Go ahead and do it. Yeah! Yeah, throw it in the trash can. Ooh, gross! Oh no! No, Nicholas, quit that! Ah! Nicholas! We need to take a picture of that, don't we? You take a picture of all those guts in your hands.